Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. Oh my gosh, I know the title is, I know about the title. So I have had a love-hate relationship with my hair for a very long time. I probably never really talked about it on the channel because I try to keep things really positive, but reality is I sometimes hate my hair. I really do. Sometimes it looks like shit, to be honest. Excuse my language, but sometimes it honestly looks really bad. Right now it kind of does look bad because it's a little bit old, but it's okay. I'm gonna wash it soon. I'm gonna restyle it soon. I've definitely had days where I wanted a different texture, where I wanted my hair to be looser, so that way I can throw my hair up in a bun, wear my hair in a ponytail, do a wash and go and just leave, and stuff like that. There's times where I hated my shrinkage, like it would just shrink to nothing, like I had no hair, but yet it's down to my waist when it's stretched. So I can relate. I can definitely relate to a lot of you guys. I don't hair type because I feel like it creates such an issue and a separation, and I don't really know what my hair type is, to be honest. A lot of you guys say it's like a mix between 3 and 4. I don't know. I don't really care what it is, to be honest. I just know I have curly, kinky, coily hair. It's natural, grows out of my head. That's as much as I really like to say. But if I had to put a number on it, I would say 4. It definitely is a mix. It's loose in the front. It gets a little bit tighter when you get to the middle, and then it gets tighter when you get to the back, and then the very back is very tight, and it's completely different from the rest of my hair. Back hair is a fight. Yeah, that's the part where I hate the most because it's so dry. The texture is fine, but it's just so dry. It just does not get soft. It doesn't hold product. It doesn't hold moisture. And I think when I sit down and think about it, I feel like back here, not even I feel like, I know back here I used to get a lot of burns from when I was perming my hair or relaxing my hair. When I was relaxing my hair, back here used to get burnt. Like it would be scabs, and I would be picking at that because I love picking those scabs. Anyways, back here had a lot of scabs. So I want to say that back here, I want to say that it's damaged from all the burns and all the scabs. I want to say that it's damaged. So any hair that grows out of there is just damaged hair. If that makes sense. I feel like, I don't know. If you guys are familiar with the term scab hair, we get that after we go natural. That first like 1 inch of hair is scab hair, and it's very coarse, very dry, doesn't take product very well. That's pretty much what I have back here. It's like I just have maybe about 2 inches from my nape that is just coarse, very dry. Nothing works on that area. Does not matter. I've chopped it off millions of times and it grows back the same way. I've moisturized with so many products, and I use the same products I use here back there, and it just doesn't make any sense. It doesn't really grow either. It grows to about maybe 1 inch, and then it just stays like that and breaks off. I don't know. It's really damaged. I don't know what it is about that. The very nape of my neck, it just doesn't make any sense. So when I wear my hair up in a bun, it's just a afro puff back there. It just doesn't do anything. I can slick it down with a million gels, and it just doesn't do anything. It just stays in an afro puff. So that is one of the reasons why I hate my hair. Back here, I just hate my hair, and I've thought about relaxing it. I honestly thought about relaxing that area. Nowhere else, just the kitchen, just the nape, because it just doesn't do anything. It just, an afro back there. Like everywhere else is nice and slick and smooth when you put moisture, when you put something in it. Back there, it just looks like nothing is on it when there's like 5 million products on it. It's very annoying. So I know a lot of you guys can relate because we all have a nape. And some of us, I want to say mostly the type 4 ladies, the kinky hair, curly hair ladies, you guys can relate to having those little afro puffs, those naps, those grubs, whatever you want to call them, the kitchen. Back there just does its own thing, and it's really annoying. I've thought about flat ironing it. I've thought about doing an undercut, which is like a nice little design in the back because it's so annoying. I've thought about just cutting it off. I've thought about just leaving it alone, which is what I normally do, but it's annoying. I want to wear my hair up in a sleek bun, and I want this to be sleek, but it won't. It's just an afro. So yeah, there's been many times that I've gone to the beauty supply store and I'm walking towards the relaxers and I'm like, no, I can't do it. And I just walk away. I just want it to just lay. Can you just lay like the rest of my hair? Or if you're not gonna lay, can you grow at least? Because it doesn't grow. It grows about 1 inch and breaks off. And it's like, why? I moisturize you, I braid you up, I massage you, I do everything for you, just like the rest of my hair, but you don't want to do anything. And it's been like that even when I was relaxed. That area was always very, very short and very coarse. So it's something I've been dealing with even before being natural. It's always been an issue. So I don't know if you guys can suggest something. What did you guys do? Let me know what you do or have done or are going to do, because I don't know. Because slapping on a relaxer sounds so good right now, but also doesn't sound so good because I don't want to put a relaxer in my head. But I think I may just start flat ironing it, just so that way it can just do something. Because right now it's an afro puff and I don't like it. It's very annoying. But yeah, that is my hair. So my hair's in a really old twist out. I did do a tutorial on this. I'm just wearing one of my silk scarves. It's not in my store right now, but I do have other ones if you guys are interested. But I love wearing these because it keeps back hair kind of flat and it kind of hides it when I do my hair up. Because if it's not there, then the kitchen, let me just show you if I can. So you guys can probably see, can you see that? So you guys can see it's literally like 1 inch and it's just very coarse. No matter what I do to it, I can put water, I can put shea butter, I can put gel, I can put anything, moisturizer, anything, and it will just stay like this. It'll just stay very, very rough, very coarse and afro-y, and there's not much of a texture to it. It's not even, at first I thought it was 4C, but it's not even 4C. 4C kind of has a coil to it. This is just kind of like zig, I don't even know what it is. It's like, it's weird. It's a very odd texture. That's why I believe it is damaged, because there's no, it's kind of straight-ish, if that makes sense. Kind of crimped or something. I don't know. It's an odd texture, and nothing keeps it moisturized. Absolutely nothing. Doesn't matter what I do. I think I'm gonna start using Jamaican black castor oil on it again, because I feel like I did do that for like a few months, you know, years ago, and it was helping it to grow. I don't know. Like, the texture isn't a problem for me. I just wish it would hold moisture, because if it were to hold moisture and I were to slick my hair up, then it would lay flat. But because it doesn't hold moisture and nothing works, it's just an afro at the back of my head when everything else is uniform, if that makes sense. So you have this sleek hairstyle and you have an afro puff at the back of your head. It looks so bad. So that's my situation with my hair. Like I was saying before, I know this video is kind of all over the place, but like I was saying before, I did have a love-hate relationship with my hair, where I would want to just throw it up in a bun. And if you guys saw in my last video where my hair was in a bun, my hair has grown so much that now I'm able to do a bun, which is insane, because I didn't even know I could do that until just the other day. My hair was looking really, really old, and I decided to take one of my silk scrunchies and let me just see if I can put this thing in a bun. And I did it, and I was like, whoa, my hair can go in a bun. Anyways, there's been times where I see my hair and compare it to other girls who have loose curls, like type 3. I wouldn't really compare myself to type 2, but type 3, which is, you know, a little bit of a looser curl than mine, and it hangs a lot lower than mine. Compare my hair, because I have type, you know, the tighter coils that needs a little bit more work. You may need to use some heat to stretch it out. You may have to bobby pin it, Bantu knot it, do this, do that to get it to stretch, to hang low. So I've looked at my hair and been like, geez, I wish I had hair like her. I definitely have compared myself to other people and wish that I had hair like them. Shrinkage definitely has bothered me over the years as well, because you guys can see my hair is sitting at my shoulders, and you guys, for the most part, you guys know my hair reaches at my waist, but you wouldn't know that. A lot of you guys, almost every time I post a video, someone's like, did you cut your hair? And I'll be like, no, I didn't, it's shrinkage. Because right now it looks super short, like I chopped off a good amount of my hair. But this baby, it's gonna mess up my hair, but I'll show you. This, yeah, so. And this is a twist out, so I can't even show you the full thing. Like, it can keep going and going and going and going, but yeah, my hair's too naughty to really show you the full thing. But it goes pretty far. Like, I'm standing right here and it's at my waist. You guys see that? Yeah, my hair has, see, now look at this. See what I did for you guys? I have a love-hate relationship with shrinkage as well. But over the years, as my hair has grown, I've learned to just love it, because when you have shrinkage, your hair becomes more versatile. You can do so many different styles. At least in my opinion, I feel like you can do so much more when your hair can shrink and stretch and shrink, and you know. But yeah, there has been times where I absolutely hated my hair. Have I ever thought about relaxing it? Nah, that hasn't crossed my mind. But blow drying it more often, yes. But blow drying takes more work, so no, I don't even bother doing that. It's too much work. I've hated the fact that my hair is so thick. I've wished for thinner hair, finer hair, because it's just so much more work I have to do to get my hair to look a certain way. And my arms hurt, and I'm sweating, and I'm hot, and it's just a lot. I complain a lot about my hair. I love it, but I also hate it at times. So I just wanted to let you guys know that we're all in the same boat. We all hate and love our hair. I know some people love their hair a lot more than others. I know some people hate their hair a lot more than others, but I can definitely relate to everyone. Not liking their hair, not liking their curl pattern, liking it, loving shrinkage, not loving it. It's a lot. It is a lot. But this nape, somebody please give me some advice on this nape, because I don't want to slap a relaxer on it. I may just flat iron it. I may just do an undercut. I did one maybe 4 years ago, a nice little design in the back, and it was nice, but it was high maintenance, and I didn't like going to a barbershop full of men to sit down and have them staring at me. So that didn't last very long. I ended up growing it back out, and here we are with this Afro puff nape. So that is my little video. Please send your advice on what to do with this nape, because I don't like it. That is the end of the video. If you guys have any questions at all, leave them down below, suggestions, comments, anything, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.